In this video, let me show you how to trade on Moonshot. Moonshot is a popular app for buying and selling meme coins. First, open the Moonshot app and go to the Holdings tab. After that, select the Withdraw option. Now choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as credit or debit card, bank transfer, Coinbase, PayPal, or crypto. Since Moonshot is supported by MoonPay, make sure you can use MoonPay for transactions. If you can, there might be some restrictions or issues. Next, you can also send your funds to another crypto account if needed. Now, keep in mind that there may be a minimum withdrawal amount, so check the app for details, and then be cautious when using Moonshot, as it might experience downtime or issues during peak usage times. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.